important that Northern Ireland should have a unique voice, as Deputy Burton pointed out. You know, there is a Scottish First Minister, there is a Welsh First Minister, there is a Scottish Parliament, there is a Welsh Assembly. They have a role in the constitutional process. There is somebody who you can ring when you want to talk to Scotland and you want to talk to Wales. The fact that Sinn Féin and the DUP have not come together to form a government is really letting down, in my view, the people of Northern Ireland.
Thanks, Deputy.
And I don't,
without interruption. Without interruption, Deputy.
And you know, Kerrick, I don't think it's good enough to be always asking others to come in and make compromises for you. Politics is about compromise, and Sinn Féin will have to make compromises to allow an executive to be established. And it's no use. And it is no use coming in here.
Without interruption,
no use
Deputy.
coming in here.
Deputy, without interruption, please.
It's no use.
Without interruption, Deputy.
Like this is the constant pattern of debate that we have in this Parliament. It should be. It's great to see. The only time you're not scripted is when you're interrupting, actually, which is an interesting point. But
Deputy, without interruption, please, or I'll ask you to leave the House.
Is it any small wonder that the people of Northern Ireland do not?
Deputy, please.
Is it any small wonder that the people of Northern Ireland don't have a First Minister or a Deputy First Minister? Is it any small wonder that the people in Northern Ireland do not have an executive or an assembly? Because this is the attitude of Sinn Féin: constantly hectoring, smart aleck remarks, lack of temperance, lack of respect for other people, inability to listen to them, and inability to listen to compromise. Isn't it? It should be of no wonder whatsoever that we're in the situation that the people of Northern Ireland
standing orders of the House
have no
That's
government,
what I expect you to
have no voice,
to.
Because this is the style of politics, and this is the style of debate and the style of negotiation that is favoured by Sinn Féin, which is to interrupt people, to shout them down, and just show total disrespect for anyone who doesn't share their views.
Thank you, Taoiseach. We now move on to priority question number 34, under the name of Deputy O'Keefe. Minister Humphreys is present. Thank you. We've moved on. Thank you very much. Deputy O'Keefe. Could we stop, please? Thank you very much. Deputy, please. You're on your feet. You might as well leave. Deputy O'Keefe, please. If you were listening, you would have ascertained that, Deputy.
Yes,
please,
well,
thank you.
I assume the Taoiseach is as well.
Deputy, this is very, very unusual, and I find it wholly unacceptable. Deputy McDonald, you are disturbing the House. Please leave.
I am leaving.
Deputy O'Keefe, please.
Táit ar ggéadar síos poilm. Fáiltearút go dtí an teachan agus an óid tá ceistí mór tromchúise go le réite go niséin as muid i teanna ar a gáin naisnéis. Tháinig leidú beag na €4 million ar a méid airgide bhí ar fáil go chuil go Gaeltacht agus Oileáin.